good morning. This is Dave in Doncaster. There we are, the old fly press. The old hand fold a bit of sheet steel. So there we are. This is a bit of information for you, because some of you probably don't know. That V, there's the material. That's 2mm bent in there. So to get the right bed for the material is 8 times the thickness. So 8 2mm on there, and that will give you the width of the bed. And obviously I've got bigger. So there we are, that's on the fly press. Going back to the good old days when we used to make hand folders. This one is 50 years old, so I think I've had my money's worth out of that one. So there we are. That's all it does, is that. Clamps in the vise, and the advantage of this was that you could slide your bit of sheet steel down there. It clamps it in 3 places, so it lets you bend a 2 foot length. That's that one. And now up to the bit more up to date. Now the adjustment on this is here on there, and what I've done is I put a washer on that bolt, and it allows you, let's get it right place, the groove there, to lift the clamp bar up and down. Now on this particular folder you need to move the clamp bar backwards and forwards. So whatever material you're going to fold, so if it was 2mm, you move this bar back 2mm. It's that simple. And there is the adjustments to do that. So there's the bolt that pushes the clamp bar backwards and forwards so that you can get it right. So if I was bending that 2mm material on here, I would push that back 2mm to allow to get the right bend radius and not strain the folder and not strain you bending it. So there we are. This is Dave signing off. We'll catch you on the flip side once again. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It's all welcome. Buzzy buzz. Whoosh, we're gone.